I'm Dr. Brent Greenberg, and I work at the Center for Vein Restoration in Greensboro and in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. People ask us all the time, what is causing these varicose veins? Is this something I've done, something that's happening in my family? But the most common cause is genetic. In most cases, it runs in families. Frequently, it's in the parent, or it's a grandparent, or even uncles and aunts. But it also can be worsened by situations in which you stand or sit for prolonged periods, particularly jobs. So we have a lot of patients who are like flight attendants and nurses or machine operators who have to stand for prolonged periods, but even people who are traveling salespeople who have large areas to travel by car or flight can get this problem. People who have had multiple pregnancies, especially after the third, tends to make it worse. Injuries or surgeries on the legs and even weight gain can add to the risk of increasing varicose veins.